Welcome to the personal property tour for 4 West of Forthar Cottage in Kingskettle. This is a stunning 2-bedroom semi-detached cottage, beautifully presented, and I cannot wait to show you. Finished to such a high standard with great attention to detail. Then stepping outside, you've got a private garden to the front, additional workshop space and garage, all while set in a really peaceful, idyllic setting. I'm sure you can hear the birds in the background. So let me take you on the tour and then keep listening until the end to get further details. So this is your property here, number 4. Picture postcard, perfect cottage, just beautiful. So this is all of yours. And I'm going to come back and show you the outdoor space at the end, because I really just want to get inside and show you everything that this property has to offer, because it's just beautiful. I'm sure just looking at the colours externally and the details that you are going to be spoilt with this one. So let's just get inside and start the tour. So straight into your entrance hallway, and I'm sure straight away this gives you a great idea of how beautifully presented this cottage is. So we're going to start along in the main bedroom and work our way along. So this is a great bedroom, lovely and bright, because you've got your windows to the front, plenty of natural light flooding in, and then this is your main bedroom. Isn't this just gorgeous? So calming and so peaceful, ready to move in, and then waking up to that gorgeous view of the countryside, and as well waking up to the sounds of birds in the morning. What else could you ask for? I would love to actually put that as a seating area as well. You could easily have that as a little window bench, so you can take full advantage of the countryside setting. But isn't this just beautiful? So that was a great starting point, and I'm sure it's giving you an idea for the rest of the property. So we come into bedroom number 2. So both really generous sized bedrooms, great sized, nice and bright. You've got that additional storage alcove in the corner just there. But great sized bedrooms. And then we come back into the hallway and work our way along. Gorgeous colours have been used, and even to the fittings and fixtures, every little attention to detail has been thought through. But then we come to this gorgeous living space, absolutely beautiful, from the exposed beams to that feature fireplace, and all the colours, even the colours of the tiles, tie in with this room beautifully. And then that big window, again letting in plenty of natural light, and you're getting to take full advantage of those views. And look at the day that we've got today. Perfect day to really showcase it and give you a great idea of the lifestyle that this cottage will offer. But isn't this just gorgeous? Beautifully presented, and the attention to detail is just amazing. So we step down the hallway into your high standard contemporary bathroom. So it's a 4-piece. So you're getting your vanity unit, WC, your slipper bath, and then your thermostatic enclosed shower. Absolutely love the bath. You can just imagine a bubble bath sitting there unwinding at the end of the day with the sound of the birds. Just beautiful. Then in the hallway we have your, I think it's a great feature, obviously having the exposed logs just there. And then further storage just behind there as well. It's just beautiful. And then we come into your kitchen space. And again, you wouldn't expect anything less, but the colours in here are just gorgeous. And again, the attention to detail. So you've got your designer radiator. You've got those beautiful mosaic tile, ample cupboard and worktop space. That pop of colour is just gorgeous. So you've got your extractor fan, your hob. You've also got integrated dishwasher just in the corner there. You have your washing appliances hidden away. You have integrated fridge freezer. And then what's great as well is not only do you get ample cupboard space, but all the cupboards and drawers have the smart storage solutions. So it really has been thoroughly thought through. But isn't that just beautiful? So let's head outside and show you everything that the property has to offer outside. But you could really never get over this. It's just beautiful. I absolutely love this one. And I even love the feature of having a little timber gate there, whether you have a pet, whether you have small children. That's just perfect. And even just keeping it open on days like today, because it's just beautiful. So then we step out and we're going to show you the outdoor space. So let's start in the garden and then we'll make our way through everything that you get with this property. So this is your garden space just here, completely private, all yours. So you can take full advantage in the summer months and the lighter evenings. Perfect for family and friends socialising. I just want to give you an idea of the sheer size of the outdoor space with this property. So it expands all the way back, and we are going to get down to there in a second. But isn't this just beautiful? Honestly, picture postcard perfect. So you have plenty of space here, as I say, for family, friends, socialising. You have this patio area here for barbecue or for a fire pit, as you can see. You then have this patio area just here that does have electricity running to it, so you could also get a summer house there. And then it would mean you could take, obviously, further advantage of the views. You've got a patio area just here. So you really are spoilt with this property. And then we obviously have this garage space just here. So this is your outdoor garden space. So I'm sure by now you're already picturing yourself here in the summer months, being able to take full advantage. Now I'm going to walk back round and show you access to the property and your parking. Isn't this just perfect? So first section of parking is you can park vehicles in this area just here. But that's not all, you do have further parking along here. So that is access to the property just up this drive here. But then you have further parking in this space here. So this is yours for parking also, so you can easily get 3 cars in that space. So you have the timber outdoor storage just there. And then you also have this garage space here. So it does have light, power and heating, so you can use it obviously and make it work for you, whether you keep it as a garage, a workshop space, convert it to work from home. But this is then your outdoor space, and as I say, access is just off the road there. And then that is further parking, as I said there. So let's recap number 4. That was the personal property tour for 4 West of Forthar Cottage, Kingskettle. As you've just seen, absolutely stunning 2-bedroom semi-detached cottage, finished to such a high standard, literally ready to move in. Wouldn't want to change a thing because it is so beautiful. You're getting this idyllic setting as well. The birds are singing along in the background. You've got this private garden to the front. Ample outdoor space to really enjoy with family and friends. You've got that additional workshop space, whether you wanted to convert it, you've got options, and then also all of the ample parking. So it really is the perfect property while being in a really idyllic setting, but you're still really close to all your amenities, whether you want to take a short drive into Cupar, where it has ample amenities, shops, cafes, bakers, dentists, doctors. You've also got Belbaxter High School as well as Castle Hill Primary School, so you've got plenty of schooling options also within Cupar. Commuting as well, you obviously have the Cupar train station, bus routes connecting you all over Fife. Just a short drive and you can also be into Ladybank, which also has a train station as well, and further amenities. So you actually have plenty on your doorstep while getting the perfect cottage in this really idyllic, peaceful setting. If you'd like to get further details, you can either click the link in the video, message me directly, or you can call the team on 01334 654 221. Sophie at 5 Properties TV. Take care.